You know, passwords are kind of a mess. We reuse them, forget them, and they constantly get targeted by hackers. But what if there was a way to log in without using passwords at all? That's where passkeys come in. And in this video, we're going to break down what they are, how they work, and which password managers support them best. First off, let's cover what is a passkey and how passkeys work. In simple terms, they're a new, safer way to log into websites and apps without typing in your regular password. Instead, you use something like your fingerprint, Face ID, or even a PIN. Behind the scenes, passkeys use something called public key cryptography. Basically, it's a fancy way of saying that your device or password manager stores a private key and the website saves the public key. Without both of them, no one can steal your password because one sort of never actually fully existed in the first place. Are passkeys secure? Yes, this whole process makes credential stuffing attacks basically impossible, since it's not just enough to have your data. They have to have your device or biometrics too. Now, you might be wondering, if passkeys live on your device, why would you need a password manager at all? Well, passkeys stored only on your iPhone or Android are stuck there. While there's nothing wrong with that, you have to admit it's not the most convenient thing for many uses, and passkeys are all about convenience. So if you use a password manager, you can sync passkeys across all your devices and operating systems, back them up safely, and even use them alongside traditional passwords for sites that don't support passkeys yet. It's the perfect combination of convenience and security. And that's why you need the best password manager for passkeys. So here they are, starting with NordPass, one of the most popular password managers on the whole market. NordPass lets you create, store, and use passkeys on both desktop and mobile easily. And it's my go-to recommendation for anyone just starting to use password managers. Security-wise, NordPass uses advanced XChaCha20 encryption, which is faster and more modern than the usual AES-256. I know that for most of you, these are just random combos of numbers and letters, so all you need to take away from this is that your data will be scrambled into an unreadable format to safeguard it from any unauthorized access attempts. Plus, NordPass has a zero-knowledge policy and regular independent audits to ensure your data is safe. When it comes to extra features, you get a password health tool, which is great for beginners since it lets you assess the health of all your passwords at once. There's also a data breach scanner that informs you if any of your emails appear in data leaks or breaches, giving you time to react before it's too late. But my favorite feature has to be email masking. Have you ever wanted to use a new website only to be forced to create an account there? But you don't want to have to use your real email with every single site you visit, right? Well, with NordPass, you can create burner emails and use those for registration. It's a lifesaver if you're pretty active online. The user interface is clean and beginner-friendly, so even if this is your first password manager, passkeys and other tools will become second nature in no time. I highly recommend you check out NordPass pricing through our special link in the description or by scanning the QR code on screen, since this way you'll get the biggest discount NordPass currently offers. Next, we've got 1Password, and full passkey support is here as well. For security, it uses AES-256 encryption, which isn't as fancy as what NordPass implements. However, 1Password still has a zero-knowledge system and undergoes audits regularly. Bonus features include travel mode, which is great for staying safe on the go since you can basically choose which items are travel safe. The Safe Vault replaces your original vault when you travel and vice versa when you come back. Then there's Watchtower for monitoring password health the same way the NordPass password health tool allows. And of course, there's MFA support for that extra protection. Its interface is well organized and easy to navigate as well. When it comes to pricing, one standout for me is the family plan. It's one of the best deals around for multiple users. So if you're looking to protect more than just yourself, grab 1Password through the link in the description and get the best price. And last but not least, coming in third place, we've got RoboForm, a RoboCop for your passwords. Sorry, had to do it. All right, the thing about RoboForm is that passkey support is new but fully functional, and they're clearly working on improving it even more. Their security includes the industry standard AES-256 encryption, a zero-knowledge architecture, biometrics, and two-factor authentication. While RoboForm might not have flashy features like my previous two recommendations, The core here is strong, and some of you probably even prefer a simpler tool without all the extras. However, there are some features here as well, don't get me wrong. There are secure notes, bookmark syncing, and a very secure password generator. I mean, very strong. Just look at this. Are you creating a password for the CIA? However, the most interesting aspect of RoboForm is that the UI varies. If you want to have a more old-school, classic look, then use it on Windows, while on Mac OS and mobile, it looks modern and super easy to use. So if you want, you can have the best of both worlds, I guess. To check out RoboForm with our special discount, don't forget, deals for all of today's providers are linked in the description. Now, if you're still here and aren't currently installing NordPass, 1Password, or RoboForm in the background, then I have two honorable mentions for you. Keeper and Dashlane both offer passkey support, have strong AES 256 encryption, zero-knowledge architectures, and support for multi-factor authentication. So everything you need for a strong, secure core. Dashlane even has a built-in VPN. It's not super expensive and gets the job done. And Keeper offers secure file storage, because keeping your files protected and encrypted is always a good idea. Overall, both Keeper and Dashlane are solid options as password managers, but if you're starting fresh, I'd recommend going with one of the first three. So ultimately, passkeys are the future, or rather the passwordless future. They're just so much more convenient to use and give you that extra level of security. Now is the best time to start using them. And grabbing one of my recommended password managers, NordPass, 1Password, or RoboForm through my discount link will make the passkey transition even easier, safer, and way more convenient. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope I answered all your questions, but if you have any left, feel free to post them in the comments section. And if you want a more in-depth passkeys explained video, do also let me know. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest news and information on best password managers and other security practices. Okay, enough chit chat. I'll see you next time.